All right, we're standing outside a Class C, right? Class
Yep.
C,
Yep.
with Blake.
Yes.
We got the Leprechaun by Coachmen. And yeah, it looks great from the outside. I don't think we've ever had a TV playing while we've done our thing, but there you go.
Yeah, just randomly showed
And
up.
it just came on.
Yeah.
Did you turn on something, Tim?
Oh.
That was weird.
Okay.
That's cool. Like I said, I've done a bunch of these RV shows, and we've never actually had the TV on. So that's cool. They do work. Let's take a look at it. What do we want to talk about the outside? Obviously, big old awning.
Yes, you have an awning that's going to stretch basically the entire length of the coach, and this will come out, I believe it's 12 feet in length.
Okay.
So you're going to have plenty of area to chill, relax, enjoy the weather, stuff
Awesome.
like that. You're going to see that you'll have, obviously, the entertainment center outside, which we already talked about. You'll have a little bit of storage in the back as well.
The storage under here? Or
Yes.
is that important stuff that keeps the thing running? Probably locked up.
There we go. No. So actually, it's going to be your propane is what that's going to be.
Okay. Cool. Sweet. All right, so I say we get inside. It's basically it is what it is on the outside. You got your TV for entertainment.
Yep.
And your awning and some storage. Let's get inside. This is awesome. I was playing in here too.
It sure is. Hey,
Wow.
the steaks look pretty good
Look
though.
at that. Yeah, now I'm hungry. There was a steak on the TV when we first came in. Other than it being freezing in here right now because it's cold outside,
Yes, a little bit.
this is awesome. I really, really like the layout here. I like this like L shape that kind of sections off a little bit what's going on in the back.
Right, and it gives you more room. It kind of feels like a U-shaped dinette, but you don't quite have that.
Right.
Allows you to be able to get in and out comfortably from the passenger seat here, but you still have that extra seating spot.
Yeah, it's great. Love it. A little bit of a table here in between to keep stuff for your drive.
Yep.
Of course, this is the cockpit. Up here, a big space to sleep. I mean, this looks a little bigger than normal. Obviously, this would come down here. You got some a ladder that would go up to get you on top here.
Yep, and then you'll have the netting that kind of reaches up, hooks up to here, so you don't have to worry about anybody falling out or anything. But yeah,
smart.
It's a lot of cool features here.
Yeah. We've got lights on in here. That's kind of cool. You see the lights shining through the glass, so it's lit up. Does this, if this breaks down into a nice jackknife or anything?
Should. Put this up here,
Oh,
so
yeah,
this
there
will
you go.
lay down. Oops, put that down. So you have more sleeping space right there as well.
Yeah. Awesome. All right, so let's. And some storage underneath the. Oh, what is this?
This will actually pull out into a seat, so you still have that U-shape
that's
all
kinda
together.
cool.
But this will tuck in, so you still have room for
Nice. I'm sure there's oh, there it is. Look at that's pretty smart. So it is kind of a U-shaped.
Yes.
That's awesome. That's cool. I dig that a lot. Oh, that's smart. Love it. All right, so let's talk about this little kitchen area.
Yep. So you'll have a nice big fridge here. And the freezer's actually.
Freezer's good size too.
Yeah.
Wow. Perfect. You get your stove, your stovetop, 3-burner stovetop, an oven.
Yep.
A little more storage down there.
down in here. Yep.
Great.
Kind of faded into the stove there, so it all makes sense. Looks. You have your microwave up here. Good amount of storage space, and then your work with me. There we go. Your tower right there, so you have USB and outlet hookups.
The vent. You got a vent to keep things.
Yep.
If my wife's cooking, keep the smoke down. Again, I can say that because she's not watching right now. And more counter space if you need to pull this up.
Yep.
You got this here for the nice deep sink. That's freezing.
It is cold.
Good grief.
Yes.
So I haven't even back here, but I kind of dig this that you kind of go around the corner here to the bedroom, the master bedroom.
Yeah, so it does section it off a little bit and have a little more privacy because of how it twists like that. And of course, allows for a little bit of storage right there as well.
I like this. You got right here next to the camera is where your TV backer would be.
Yep.
Lots of room for clothes and whatever up in here. Here's your
closet.
Your closet.
Lots of space down below as
storage
well.
underneath, above here.
Yep. More storage right here, and this will go all the way across just like we saw out there.
Awesome. And then I'm assuming this is
the bathroom.
The bathroom. And look the way that door opens. That's smart. When I first walked by, I thought there's no way this door is going to open.
Yeah, they had to get a little creative with it, making sure they still had room for everything.
Yeah. That's good. So you got your shower, obviously, your counter space. Some storage above the sink and below the sink. There you go. And again, the door opens completely, even with the bed down. I mean, you wouldn't think the door should open like this.
Oh, yeah.
But because somebody brilliant, figured out a way to open doors a little less wide. So there you go. Everything you need. Oh, and this says, see this thing? Look at
Those
that.
will pull right on out. The bottom one will do the same.
Okay. Get to stuff easier. So good. So good. All right. So a Class C that you could be in. You could be in. I've asked this before with other guys I've talked to. What's your favorite thing about this vehicle, this one here?
The Class C's
Yeah,
in general,
well, this
or just
one
this one
specifically,
specifically?
yeah.
This one specifically, I actually really like the design of the dinette here, just because, again, you can have the U shape. You can push that in so you have plenty of seating.
Yeah.
And it's just actually a cozy area. You can have people sitting here. They can sit in the 2 seats there. And, of course, on the couch. So
I
you
think
have
I'm the same.
family get-together.
That's my favorite, too. That, and I do like kind of it's around the corner, the bedroom
The
around
privacy
the corner.
in
Yeah.
the corner.
Yeah. So again, if you want more information on this RV, you need to get hold of us. We would love to tell you all about it.